Okay, today I'm going to show you what $456 a month can get you in Tbilisi, Georgia. So this is probably one of the smaller units. There we go. We've stayed in, but I'll show you around. So you walk in, you have all of our shoes, a coat rack, which when you walk in, you kind of walk right into the coats, but if it wasn't winter here, right, the coats wouldn't stick out as much. So this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the M2 complex by Hippodrome. So you walk in and here's the bathroom. I really, really like this bathroom. I like the tiles everywhere. It's spacious. It's big. It just feels, I don't know, welcoming. You got the shower with both the, what's that called? The rainfall shower head and then the regular shower head with the cool little drain. A washing machine, which is pretty standard or common in apartments in AirBNB or in Tbilisi, Georgia. We've had washing machines in all of our AirBNBs, don't mind our dirty clothes there, as well as just our regular. So we've signed 3 different apartment leases here, and all of them have had washing machines. Got a nice mirror. Okay, here's the kitchen. Now this is definitely, the counter space is pretty small, which at first I struggled with, but I'm learning to adapt with it, and I love, love, love having an oven again. If you remember from my 3 Kutaisi videos where we stayed when we lived there for 3 months, none of those had ovens. So when we came back to Tbilisi, that was definitely a requirement for me because I love to cook, I love to bake. So this right here also is pretty common in apartments in Georgia. So that's like your drying rack, but it also functions as, like, that's just where the dishes are stored. So I love it, right? You just set your dishes up there, they dry, and then they're in storage. Like, you don't have to move them twice, which is nice. So we have a 2-burner gas stove here. Again, love, love, love having the oven again. Just 1 sink this time. Our last M2 that we stayed in, that we actually signed the 6-month lease on, had a double sink, and it was bigger. That one that we stayed in before is about 50 or 65 square meters, and this is about 35 square meters. So it's actually the size of our apartments when we lived in Chiang Mai. But this actually has an oven and the 2 gas stove tops. Those in Chiang Mai had, like the induction stove in just one of them. So this is the living room area. Our TV. Now, the view from this chair right here is amazing. Let me show it to you. You can only kind of see it. Okay, so I actually, because we're on lockdown, so we can't go work from coffee shops, so I prefer to sit right here and look out and see those mountains or foothills in the background. I'll actually just go into the balcony now. So this is our balcony. We have a door off from the living room as well as from the bedroom. Again, in here is the where the water heater is. Again, major pro tip, make sure your water heater is inside of some kind of little building storage area, not wide open because it won't heat all the time. So this is our amazing view from up here. And right over there is Hippodrome. Now, Hippodrome just was given to the city for free like 2 months ago. So it's going to take a year for them to renovate it into this like massive, massive area. So I'm excited to come, wow. I'm excited to come back here, right, in like a year or two and see all the changes that they're doing to Hippodrome. So this is our complex. Down there you have the soccer field. That over there is a kindergarten. Now I'm a little sad because by the time you guys see this, this new apartment building right here, it's going up an additional 9 more stories. So that view that I just got done gloating about probably will not be there anymore, which I'm a little sad about. Again, as common with the doors here, they also open, right? Like they just crack open if you want. Or you can fully open it like a regular door. Okay, let's go into the bedroom now. So here is our bedroom. So we have 2 nightstands. This is a queen size bed. Now what's nice is under here is storage. So again, this is probably one of the smallest Airbnbs or apartments we've rented, but it flips up here like so, and then you can see all of our storage. So I have my hiking sleeping bag. I'm letting it kind of air out while we live here. Got some wine hidden under there. But I really like the storage under the bed. That's pretty clutch. Yeah, that's the door out to the balcony. This is the closet, so it's again pretty decent size. I'll open it up for you. There we go. Whoops. So you have the actual hanging closet and then some shelves as well as drawers. So this is more than enough for us living here. So this, for a month, this goes for $456 per month. Before we moved back to Tbilisi, we came here just for a weekend. And so if you book this for, a short term, less than a month, it's $19 a night. But if you book it for 1 month, or at least 4 weeks, 4 weeks is when you get the discount, then it goes down to $456 a month. We will stay here for, let's see, this is our second month now. We'll stay here for 3 months. There is another person who has it rented for the 2 months after us. So we will be moving units at the end of January. But we really like this apartment. I mean, it's definitely the smallest one we've stayed in, but the views are what makes it worth it. So downstairs, there are, in our complex, there are 3 different convenience stores. So we have one Spar downstairs. Actually, I think I can show you down here. We have one Spar and then 2 Nicoras in this complex alone. So it makes it really convenient. Yeah, okay. Well, I don't know if you can see it on here, but oops. See where that blue car is right there? Maybe I gotta make it clear again. Come on. There we go. That's where the Spar is. And then the Nicoras, the 2 Nicoras, one's on this back side and one's on the front side, kind of next to Spar. So there are 3 different buildings, M2 buildings in this complex. We are on floor 20. And yeah, this is what you can get for $456 a month. I really like it. I would definitely recommend this place for both short-term rental, just a couple nights, as well as a long-term rental. So, yeah, this is in Tbilisi, Georgia by Hippodrome. And there you have it. Okay, as always, be unique, be adventurous, like, subscribe, let me know, comment, let me know what you think. Would you stay here? Is it worth the value, the money? What do you think? Let me know. Okay, bye guys.